In this video, we're going to show you 10 things in your workspace that you should always sanitize. You will need alcohol and a small spray bottle. That way, it's much easier and more convenient for you to use on the daily. And make sure to wear gloves to protect your hands. The door handles. You touch this all the time and probably your clients too.
The faucet handles. Don't forget every place you've touched when your hands aren't clean.
And your trolley handle. Did you forget about this one too? The light switch. Ever notice how many times you reached over to adjust your light? Your phone. Probably the most touched item. You definitely need to sanitize that too.
The speaker volume, for those who adjust the volume settings throughout the appointment.
The fan. After 2 hours of hands-on lashing and you reach over to the fan, what else have you touched?
Your Nano Mister 2. How many times do you use this in one appointment? The handheld mirror. Your client touches this once at the end of every appointment and you probably handed it to them. Your sanitizer bottles. Yes, even the places you think would be the most clean.